the particle a. The particle a is very common. In Taiwanese, it has many meanings and uses, often exclamatory. One use of a we have seen ma equals I am unwilling, I don't want to. In this case the a softens the impact of the making it sound less harsh. B. The particle a may be added for emphasis. 你是去中话，是无？是啊。C. Sometimes particles such as a are added to a single word sentence, not for any particular meaning but for euphony. People often prefer a double sound to a single sound. D. The particle a is commonly used with what is in English the perfect tense, an action that would begun in the past but has reference to the present. 你吃饱未？吃饱啊。Note 1. In some cases, we will translate as perfect tense sentences without a. Note 2. A can at times be used with any tense. E. Tone of the a. The 137 rule. Note that the a of 吃饱啊 is in the third tone. It is following a rule according to which the tone of the a is governed by the tone of the preceding word. This rule is called the 137 rule, which means that the tone of certain words, such as this, a, is in the first, third or seventh tone, depending on the tone of the word immediately preceding. In the following 7 sentences, note the tone of the a end of the word immediately preceding a, then study the chart following. In sentence 1, the a is in the first tone, following a first tone. 你啉茶未？我有啉啊。In sentences 2, 3 and 4, the a is in the third tone, following the second, third and fourth tones. 你吃饱未？吃饱啊。伊去未？去啊。伊去台北未？去台北啊。In the sentences number 5, 7 and 8, the a is in the seventh tone, following the fifth, seventh and eighth tones. 伊来未？来啊。你食飯未？我食飯啊。你食未？我食啊。The 137 rule. Schema. The tone on the a of the perfect tense may be determined as follows.